Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay. So hi.
Yes, hello, ma'am.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. So this is our first meeting. So please, I would like to know something about yourself.
Okay, okay. So let me introduce myself. I am Kaluram Talania. I belong to Rajasthan, and I have done my BA, B.Ed and Masters in English done. And as you know, now I am working as a teacher. So that's all about me.
Okay. Yeah. So shall I give my introduction?
Yeah, sure. I want to know about you.
Okay. So my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I live in West Bengal, and as well as I'm a by profession I'm a homemaker, as well as you can see that you know well that I run my own YouTube channel, which is I recently opened, and that apart from this, actually I have some goals. So in order to fulfill my dreams, I'm learning it, and I'm too much passionate about this language. So that's why. This is my short introduction. I always try to give my introduction in a nutshell.
That's great.
Yeah. So,
So
like,
tell me, what do you do in your free time?
okay, actually, I'm a homemaker, so I have a kid, and then I have to, like, I have to do household chores, and I have to look after him also. So, apart from this, when I get time, I'm learning. I'm too much passionate about, so that's why I have to give my time. So that's why, and when I get time, that time I learn some new words, and I try to connect with new person to enhance my fluency level. In order to improve my fluency level.
Okay. Yeah, that's great for you.
Yeah. So you are a teacher. So you already completed your MA, which is that in English literature. So how
Yes.
long have you been learning this language?
Ma'am, I have been practicing 4 or 3 months ago. It's
Oh,
my serious time for practicing speaking in English. And in my study time, I don't practice for speaking. And we focus on remembering and how and question answer remember and how to attempt a exam and that's type of preparing that time and now I am working and as well as I am practicing this type of so nowadays I am serious for speaking learn.
okay. So yeah, I've also realized that actually whenever I know when we were in school that time, just our teacher teach us that as a subject. They even that when we were really wanted to speak, when we wanted to communicate with our teacher in English, they also sometimes no, I should not tell it, I should not say it, but after that, despite knowing it that this is wrong, but still I'm telling saying it that actually, and whenever we wanted to communicate with our teacher in English, and that time also there's some teachers, they try to scold me. Hey, at first learn your own native language. What will you do? You will learning this language. So they never they never pressure us that no, you have to learn it. You have to in your English class. You have to speak in English. So we didn't get that kind of support. So that's the reason nowadays we are facing this problem.
Yes, ma'am. I think you also Hindi medium background school belong to
Bengali medium.
Hindi medium but
Oh,
not English medium.
no, I'm not. I completed my study from Bengali medium.
Yes, ma'am. I am also belong to Hindi medium school.
Okay, but
That's
and
why.
That's why you don't know how you are facing some
Uh,
problems while speaking.
yes,
Okay. So as well as you run your own YouTube channel, so tell me something about your channel. How is your experience going on there?
I I can't say I'm YouTuber because of I have 4, 5, 6 subscribers also. So I can't
So
say I'm YouTuber
you have you checked my subscriber? I have only 10 subscriber.
because
Okay.
of my subscriber less from you.
No. So what happened? We don't know na tomorrow what will happen. Maybe tomorrow we will reach like no 1,000 subscriber.
Ma'am, honestly, I am saying you, I yet time I didn't say anyone I have YouTube channel. Please subscribe me. Please follow me. Yet time I didn't say anyone.
No, even that when you have messaged me that ma'am I have a channel, and after that I subscribe also your channel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Because no like that is recently I have opened my own YouTube channel, and when I have get some new YouTuber and I will notice that their subscribe also very less subscriber. So like no, as a YouTuber I also know I should support him or her.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the thing I always support to like no someone who is a very less subscriber.
Yes, ma'am. And I also subscribe to many channels. And who has very less subscribers. That time I visit their channel and I also subscribe them
Yeah, like that.
because
And
of
as well,
because of that person can conversation with us. So we try to subscribe them.
yes, if we subscribe someone channel, so what I will like no, I will not lose anything. If I subscribe
Yes,
your
ma'am.
channel, what will I lose? I didn't
Yes,
lose
ma'am.
anything. Just so if I subscribe, that is good. Maybe you will like no, you will gather courage and you will do better in
Yes, ma'am.
future.
And nowadays I am not uploading any type of video because of lack of time. And I will also upload many videos at that time if I uh, have time much more. That time I will also upload.
Yeah, yes. And also, yeah, if you get the chance, I know you are a teacher and you teach some student also. So apart from this, you run your own YouTube channel, and in between the time when you get the chance, so
Yes.
definitely you should upload some new content, because those people who are a learner, they can also learn something from your channel.
After my working, I attend tuition classes, 2 or 3 classes. That's why I can't attend session. So it's a problem. Otherwise, I will available anytime. If the students didn't come or they are absent, but they comes regularly and mm, something learn new, so they didn't absent any day.
Yeah. And another things is you told me no that I can't say myself that I am a YouTuber because I have a very less subscriber. Please don't say like that, because it's not possible that whatever we do we will get the success in your first attempt. Okay, so at least
Yes,
we keep doing it continuously, then definitely we will achieve something. And just maybe you have opened your own YouTube channel like no maybe 25 or 6 days ago.
it recently started. I recently
Recently
started.
start. So
Yes.
you recently started, you have your own YouTube channel and you have a 5 subscriber. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Don't lose your patience. Just keep faith in yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And I have one question also to you that so you have
And
completed your
you are not.
which question arise in my mind, that is for you, like no, you completed your MA in English literature, so that means you don't have any grammatical issue,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
but you are facing speaking problem.
Speaking problem. Speaking because of when I speak, sometimes I stuck. That time I think what I speak now. How can I reply this? So that's
Okay,
type of problem.
okay, sometimes also
And
I also
and
face
and,
this a
and
problem.
after some time when I think that reply, that time my mind in my mind come this type of word, and
Yeah, it
that time
happened,
that time
it's
didn't
normal.
that time didn't come when we need.
Yes, yes. Also, sometimes when we want to talk to someone and that we don't get that proper word, but after after ending this conversation, and after that we realize no, which word or why that word should be like that. So we've also faced this kind of problem. Like no, yesterday also I talked to one sir, and that I talked to learn with patience, Vishal sir, and there also I after made our conversation, and I realized that where I make mistakes. So I caught it. So that is good thing.
Ma'am,
At least with
I
yeah,
am
continue.
watching you. I am watching you, and I am thinking your English is very well. You are speaking very confidently.
But I speak confidently, but sometimes also like no, you told me that sometimes while speaking you don't get the proper word. So this kind of problem also sometimes I face.
Yeah, you are speaking better than me.
You speak also very well. You are a teacher and you have a lots of knowledge.
I can teach, but I can't speak fluently.
Don't be worried about it. I think that it's not necessary that everybody has that the same ability or same quality. Then in every individual person has their own quality. So they know one day they can know their own quality.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
since when are you practicing English?
Actually, like since when I am learning this, I have been learning this language for 1 year. Okay, but after that I realized if I like focus on that grammar and that words, so I would never be able to speak. So, and after that I change it and I start listening, because we know that the listening is a very important way. Listening play a vital role to enhance our fluency level. So that's the reason I I started focusing on listening. And apart from this, I honestly speaking I never read newspaper, but I follow one channel that is English Corner with Raj Mehra, who has an own YouTube channel, and that she teach the student how to read newspaper. So I follow it regularly.
It's, it's very nice.
Because newspaper structure is a very difficult and advanced structure, so for learner
Because
it
of
is very difficult to understand.
in a newspaper advanced vocab available. So
Yes,
so so when we read that time we think it's very hard for us.
yes, yes. Yeah. And
So, ma'am, any
you
question? Can you ask me if you have any question?
no, for now I don't have any question. So
So that's enough for today.
yes, okay, bye then. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yes,
Thanks.
yes,
Thank
bye.
Okay, bye.